love it when I turn off the bass.
Yeah, I spawned in the same fucking spot, bro.
Redemption.
Yeah,
I
know.
got locked in the ballroom.
Man, let's focus Valve, bro. Everyone focus Valve. I'm gonna get 2 bone scraps and beat the shit out of anyone who tries to get Valve. What about that?
Please get in that lock. Please. What's that? Okay, stay calm. You can use this. It locks me. Can I get through there? Yes. Thank you.
Ballroom is open.
This might fit in the door.
His ass is following me.
Gone?
Tool storage open.
Run,
Why
Connie,
mix it?
run!
These doors slam.
I can use that.
Cook's still locking his shit. I think he just locked the facility door.
Okay, what are we focusing? What are we focusing?
You said Valve. Get
Yeah,
that
yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Anyone
trying
see
to do
where it's
slide
where it's at?
They'll be back. I'm sure of it. I know what this is. Come on. Come on. I gotta find something I can use.
It's not in pump storage, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I got Leatherface and Hitch up top in the middle.
Okay.
Man, didn't even hit me with his charge, but yeah, my shit is at fucking 0.
You go, Julie. I'll cover you.
No, it's okay. Just go do your thing.
No, I don't. Alright, fine. I'll look for Valve. Oh, shit. Hey, Cook.
Motherfucker didn't even have his chainsaw on. Ain't no fucking way I died at these people now, right?
This might lead to the others.
Damn, I'm lagging like crazy.
Did I keep where Valve is? Or pumps?
I think
bet
it's
in
Leatherface layer.
Leatherface Larry.
Don't come over here.
Get out of here, Bubba.
What do you at? Fucking slide door?
No, he's at well he was, but he's at holding thing now. I'm through slaughterhouse.
Think. Just
Hitch
look
was
around,
running that way,
Connie.
slide door.
Hitch is here. No, Hitch is here. He's not going there.
Where's he at?
Sorry, Grandpa Perch.
Okay.
Looking for the Valve right now, dude.
Leatherface is in slaughterhouse with me, I think. Unless he's out
Yo,
back by
yo,
Valve
Hitch,
Gate.
Hitch. Like, play the game, bro. Play the game, Hitch. Man, you doing too much right now.
Yeah, they have exterior alarms on.
Oh, I'm grappling with Hitch by accident. Oh, never mind. He's weak as fuck. Okay.
Fuck.
Bubba knows that I'm in slaughterhouse.
I'm doing fuse right now.
Hitch is on me. I'm looping him a bit.
Please don't let that thing come back.
Fuse is on.
Got it. Oh no, they're back. Stay quiet. Maybe I can open those doors. I'm good. I'm good. Just stay calm.
Alright, 2 of us are at fuse exit.
Yeah.
What?
Nope, I did not mean
Was
it. Alright.
that-
Let's get
Yeah,
defend
Hitch
it.
is waiting to turn it off, so get there
Was
quick.
that a person?
Yeah, just go, Julie.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot they can turn it off.
Oh
now.
my god, if you stayed out there a little longer.
Yeah, I totally forgot you can turn it off now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Dude, what is
stay
it?
quiet.
See me. Get your ass on, man. Hitch's over here by fuse.
Yeah, I'm doing battery right now.
Alright. Hitch
I
and
need to
Cook
be
are over here
careful.
by
You might still be
fuse.
near.
Oh my god. Oh,
Battery
dude,
is turned
it's
off.
over,
I'm about to
it's
do
over.
gate. I'm doing last gate now.
I'm gonna
Oh,
use this as a
I got
distraction.
nobody escape, so
Basement back open.
It's open.
battery's good. Where you at? Where you at?
Alright. I'm on the way. What sides are open?
Both. Sliding is first though.
Who the hell are these people?
Coming.
Hey, she's there, she's there, she's there.
More careful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Trying to all get out.
Thank God you're alive.
Slow walking to the end.
How do you do that? How do you slow walk? Oh, bro.
Stay away.
Controller, my boy. Controller.
Oh, shit, controller.
Oh, what's
Come on,
going
bro. Oh, he
That's
stalled?
tough.
That's crazy. Oh, now he died. His answer.
Just go away, damn it.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Okay. You got this.
Trying to be off-rounded.
Finally. I hope the others are okay.
Oh, he's trying to be nice. He's trying to be nice. Oh, he's trying to be a bitch.
You gonna stand out sooner or later.
Oh, shit!
Damn, he must have that shit all on endurance.
Yeah,
Nah,
yeah.
bro,
Cause he
is
was swinging like
mad.
crazy.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Hitch and cook, huh?
But yeah, the normal.
Nana, you can do this. What's going on? What is this place?
Dude, what? I fucking crawled through that thing.
Hey, Anna, over here. Thank you. I might be able to break those locks now.
Yeah, just come over here and bully me, Connie.
Hey, you only need one anyway.
That's facts, that's facts.
Can I get through there?
You'll find me a piece of health. This man marked me going through the crawl space? What the fuck?
Yes.
Where we at, Leatherface?
I
Man, mark me
get
again?
through.
What the fuck is you on?
With the cook?
Yeah, he just marked me. Yeah, brother, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. He might stall right
Oh,
there.
that's overheat. That's overheat.
Just keep moving, Connie.
He just went upstairs. That means he's a smart bubba.
Nutter, yo.
What up?
You guys in game?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I might die for it, but front door is done.
Nutter, are you seeing sick games?
I need to hide.
Good games? No.
No?
No, not really.
Please let my
I
friends
just
be
door
okay.
slammed Bubba, he's out here with me. Generator's on the side though.
Hitchhiker's upstairs.
Come on. Come on.
Oh,
I
you
gotta
got a
find
trap
something
too.
I can use.
Yeah, we should definitely.
Oh
do one,
shit. Cook's up here on me too. I gotta go back down. I gotta help. I door slammed Hitch up top, but he's probably
Oh,
up there now.
window. Bubba might be outside on you. Yep, Bubba's coming. Bubba's
Can't
coming.
do this.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
dead.
Oh yeah.
They sold me heavy on this, bro. Low key. Oh, he's carrying me. Oh, that trap is so ass, bro. I feel like the trap inside is worse than the one outside. 100%.
What you gave by 2 of them?
No. He had one inside and it bugged me. It did the animation inside the house.
Oh,
Please.
okay.
Please don't let that.
I'm going to kick off Jen
come
right
back.
now.
That's good. We wasted time killing.
Nutter, are you alive or dead?
I'm alive.
Have you guys been kicking ass or getting your ass kicked?
This is my first game.
I hope you guys kicked their asses.
I'm taking Hitchhiker away.
Yeah, did Bubba kill you yet?
Yeah, he just killed me.
Yeah.
You guys are good.
I have to go and find help.
Hitchhiker's just following me over here. And Bubba's coming too now.
Nah, he's gonna come to me, right?
He's going, can you go battery?
Is that where
Battery.
Bubba and Hitch are running down the driveway.
Alright, I was
How
about
they
to say.
disconnected? Only Bubba's left. They
Oh,
bounced.
yeah, we out.
That's
Alright, you guys kicked their asses. I'm gonna make a new party for you guys.
Oh.
Yo, what's up?
I'm pretty sure we've played together before.
Bubba is going back.
I
in the
feel like
house.
it's a small world, probably.
He's coming to battery, so?
Oh no.
Nah, he went inside
Did
the
they hear
house.
me?
Oh, okay.
The only thing you got is chainsaw on. Low key.
Got it.
Why'd they leave?
Alright, I'm out.
Oh, he breaking down doors. He's trying to get
Somebody! Anybody!
Why'd they all leave? I didn't get that.
Because they got their asses kicked by you guys.
I guess so.
Julie's over here doing a fuse.
Yes! We can get out of here.
Okay, shake the things, Julie. Oh, don't hit that trap though, my boy.
Yo, you can't sneak past that.
They're gone for now. Okay.
That man said, let me just squeeze.
Alright.
Oh, this the 98.
You guys all getting out?
We're about to
yeah,
see
all of us.
Julie should be able to get out in a couple
Yes,
seconds.
sir. And then the code is in chat. And then we all have a sick new game. We
Oh,
all kick their asses.
run, Julie. Oh, here it is, chainsaw. Hey, you can still block that, mama.
Are you guys being murdered?
No.
Being murdered?